Initial shock of the LA wildfires may be behind us, but recovery is just beginning for many.
For some victims, replacing their entire wardrobe is now a top priority. KCAL's Tina Patel shows us how one spot in Santa Monica is stepping up to help.
It's been more than 3 weeks since Sandra DeCastro Buffington lost her home in the Palisades fire, but she's just starting to realize how much she needs.
You don't have anything. You don't have a change of clothing. You don't have soap. It's just bizarre.
Fortunately, Buffington found this pop-up shop for fire victims in Santa Monica. It's full of brand new clothing and accessories donated by fashion companies like Free People and Draper James.
What we're trying to do here is really mimic an actual shopping experience.
But the people running this pop-up are not in fashion. They usually sell books.
And that's a Thrillers.
Zibby's bookshop started offering free books to customers after the fires because the staff believes reading can be a comfort and welcome distraction during stressful times. When they heard about some of the clothing drives going on in the community, they realized they didn't have enough space to provide clothes in their shop. So they took over an empty storefront down the street.
It is just so fulfilling to be able to be a small part of helping the community.
I love color. Yeah. The more color in the world, the better.
Buffington says at first it was humbling to have to accept donations. But coming into a space like this and being able to pick items from racks makes it feel a little more normal.
I'm so grateful for places like this, the kindness of the people here who are organizing this.
Even though this pop-up is only operating through the weekend, Buffington hopes the support she's seen from the community continues because she says the recovery is just beginning.
Life has gone on. Oh yeah, they say the fires are contained now, but there's so many of us left in the aftermath. The truth is we're going to need this kind of thing for weeks to come.
In Santa Monica, Tina Patel, KCAL News.